breeze, a party coming. Move around like fresh fresh when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, that's what we.
Hey, what's up? Your boy Justavian again, Mommy, Kirby and Kizzy. We back out here, but today guys we're going to do either kayaking or paddle boat. Something, we're gonna do one of them today. Watch.
Look at the boat in the back.
Look how we're going down in the back.
What is this?
That's just a boat. Down Chaguaramas. Sunday evening. Nice. It's the excitement. Is this it? Oh, cool. The music in the background.
I nearly do it. I forgot I'm home.
Forgive me.
You study that?
Yeah, I enjoy life.
What, yeah, I'm trying to go.
So we have the jet ski going out to $3.50 for half an hour, $90 for an hour. We have a double kayak. If you want a kayak, if you want to do it by yourself, like me, I like my own speed. So you can have a single kayak, $50, and add $100 for an hour, $90 an hour. And with a double kayak, which is a lovely bright green kayak, you can get 2 persons on it for $60 or $90. So $60.
Nice, Ezekiel. That's a professional guy. Because it has a big rock in the water there. So he had to be a professional. Because normal me can go out there and do that. A professional.
Feeling like
I feel like I should eat now.
Now, always have food in a container.
Yeah, I have a container in the back seat.
We don't wash our bowl.
Oh shucks, you see? Lifesaver. Everywhere mommy goes, she's wanna carry bags. When we went up Louis Mitchell, we had 1 million bags. And that walk was like 2 hours. That was the worst. Imagine we trying to find a beach. We never see the beach till this day. No? I say that same thing, I guess, yeah? Because they're taking me on.
I'm watching her video to make sure that when I reach home, that's be like, hey, back to my audio.
You go and watch my video, eh?
So in case I
Well,
do it over, I should do it over now.
she watching her video. Who does do them thing? Yes. Who does do them thing? She watching her video. Who does do that?
the man making your own video.
To make sure that when I reach home, you ever record something and then when you go back home with an audio, it take come out. Guys,
Friends and family.
Look at this,
you
yeah.
see the sky? Show them the sky. Oh my god. Show them the sky now.
Yeah. So right now Diego Martin is that direction and Diego Martin having a lot of rain. We in Chaguaramas and the rain is falling. When you're in the movies and the money, you see that man with the bulletproof vest on the right. I feel like one of them right now.
Like grandpa.
You see your prayers?
I guess, yeah? Huh? Yeah. Alright, so we gonna look to go in the water. Let me go.
I might be in total panic mode. I try not to zoom in.
Oh gosh, she's gonna wipe.
hook up anyway.
Me too.
Yo, yo! I want to get you on it. I want to get something to join on it. I'm trying to get you on it. Yeah, go. Woo! Free bottle here. It looks like you're riding into the sunset. Ready? You had that thing turn right and we want to turn. Leave it straight. Put that for me?
No, man.
Mazinalo.
It's
We going into this thing or what?
A few moments later.
So we're gonna get pulling. We're getting a free. The light, the glass so bright. Let me see. Yeah, it's so bright.
Just stay on.
Yo. Right now,
Easy,
I'm getting
girl.
a work out here.
Guys, he paddling. He doing all the work. Easy, Carl, say hi. Look at the camera. Woo.
Watch my face. I was already giving up. Look, watch. Playing it off. Look, yeah, playing your laughing at somebody. Watch it. You're only playing. Watch it. Yeah. Tired.
Stop freezing.
I have to stay with this easy girl.
Pushing me too.
No, you're squeezing, Mom.
Next time you send him my auntie Cheryl, right?
Yeah. Alright guys, so at this point, if you look at me, just watch my face. Just watch my face. The paddle boat was fun and all, but just watch my face. You could see that I am so tired. I was like slowly giving up. It's a movie. Look at my sister. Yo guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Thanks for everything. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, and share. If you want to see more of my lifestyle, you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And please stay tuned for more videos in the future. Yes, sir. One love.